Hi, I'm Garrett. I will be your mechanical engineering tour guide. Some of the first mechanical engineers designed boats and watercraft. 2,000 years later, mechanical engineers were used to build some of the first wheeled vehicles. Almost 600 years after that, there were ships that could sail, and a potter's wheel became prevalent into people's lives. Between 1000 BCE and 50 BCE, the windmill, wind-powered technology, and the allopine were invented. From 1000 to 1500 CE, a human glider, steel, printing press were invented. Between 1501 and 1799, an underwater rowing boat, knitting machine, steam turbines, motor, pistons, steam engines, flying shuttles, sewing machines, spinning jennies, spinning frames, steam wagons, water closet, cotton mules, steamboats, heated factories, and the cotton gin were invented. Between the 1800s and 2000 CE, the International Space Station, Mars probe, and the hybrid automobile were invented. Mechanical engineers can be involved in the management of people, projects and resources, as well as the development and use of new materials and technologies. Mechanical engineers create solutions and solve problems, playing a central role in the design and implementation of moving parts in a range of industries. Mechanical engineers provide efficient solutions to development of processes and products, ranging from small component designs to extremely large machinery or vehicles. They can work on all stages of a product, from research and development to design and manufacture, and all the way to installation and final commissioning. Most industries rely on a form of mechanical systems, and mechanical engineering is thought to be one of the most diverse of all engineering disciplines. Due to this, there are employment opportunities in a range of sectors. Here are some of the mechanical engineering careers. The aerospace industry researches, designs, manufactures, operates, and maintains aircraft. The automotive industry designs, manufactures, distributes, and markets motor vehicles. The chemical industry covers oil companies, chemical manufacturers, and the businesses that support them, e.g., to build new plants or develop new processes, technologies. The construction industry designs and builds infrastructure, buildings and building services, e.g., heating and ventilation. The defense industry provides equipment, supports and services for the armed forces and national security. The electronics industry designs and manufactures components and complete equipment for sectors from automotive to medicine and military. Fast-moving consumer goods industry manufactures cleaning items, personal hygiene, goods, and convenience foods. The marine industry develops and helps operate vessels. Materials and metals industry activities include developing new materials and manufacturing components and/or products. The rail industry designs, constructs, manages, and maintains the rail system, components from trains and tracks to electrical power systems and train control systems. And lastly, the utilities industry helps supply power, water, waste management, and telecoms. These are some of the requirements for becoming a mechanical engineer. The minimum education requirement is having a bachelor's degree. The field of study is, of course, mechanical engineering. And at Georgia Tech, you must have at least 129 credit hours. Here are some of the professional requirements needed to be a mechanical engineer. Is there a license required? Of course. And sometimes you need to be relicensed every year, depending on the state. Here are some ABET accreditation requirements. You must have a degree from ABET accredited program, a passing score on the final exam, 4 years of relevant work, and a passing score on the professionals exam. Mechanical engineers earned a median salary of $83,590 in 2015. The best paid earned about $128,430, while the lowest paid earned less than $53,640. Industries that pay well include oil and gas extraction, as well as information services. The top-paying metropolitan areas for the occupation include Anchorage, Alaska, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and Middlesbrough, Massachusetts. Lockheed Martin is the United States' premier manufacturer of military equipment, such as military and combat gear, radar systems, aircraft, and missiles. Ford continues to be a driving force in America's automobile manufacturing industry, continually seeking to streamline its opportunities. Ford constantly requires the specialized skill of mechanical engineers to develop mechanical systems for its automobile assembly and testing processes. Boeing, the largest aerospace corporation in the world, as it continually seeking to improve on manufacturing of military aircraft and commercial jetliners. Walt Disney Imagineering is a unique creative force behind Walt Disney Parks and Resorts that dreams up, designs, and builds all Disney theme parks, resorts, attractions, cruise ships, real estate developments, and regional entertainment venues worldwide. Imagineering's unique strength comes from the dynamic global team of creative and technical professionals building on Disney's legacy of storytelling to pioneer new forms of entertainment through technical innovation and creativity. Here are some professional organizations composed of mechanical engineers. The American Society of Mechanical Engineers works on bioengineering, career and education, design and manufacturing, power and energy, standards and certification, technologies in society. The Institution of Mechanical Engineers works in aerospace, automotive, biomedical engineering, construction and building surfaces, cross-sector technologies, manufacturing, power and energy, processes and railway. The International Academy for Production Engineering works on life cycle engineering and assembly, cutting and design, electrophysics and chemical processes, forming, abrasive processes, machines, production systems and organizations, and precision engineering and meteorology. These are some well-known projects done by mechanical engineers. Ferries and Cliff House Cable Railway Powerhouse, one of the most complicated cable car systems to run from a single station. The Boydic hydraulic turbines, two of the oldest surviving water turbines, probably the largest and nearly the most powerful ever built in the United States for medical drive, located at Harmony Mills. And lastly, the Magma Copper Mine Air Conditioned System, the first air-conditioned mine in North America. Most of the open jobs and future jobs that are available in Georgia are mostly business tech engineers and sales engineers, as well as safety protocol engineers and automation engineers. In most of America, sadly, the focus for mechanical engineers are hardware, maintenance, and packaging engineers. And this brings us to the end of our presentation. But we do have some more interesting facts. In the US, or the United States, engineers make about $40.48 an hour. That is 5.5 times the minimum wage. And there are about 277,500 jobs available for mechanical engineers. Some main colleges for studying are the Georgia Institute of Technology, the main campus, the Purdue University main campus, also for mechanical engineering, and lastly for mechanical engineering is Virginia Polytech Institute at State University. And we have a continued slide for interesting facts. In Cherokee County / Woodstock, there are people in the workforce, 1,290 people, and the average salary for those people are $111,250. And now we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you would change your mind about your future career. Thank you, and have a nice day.